Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I'm Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Friends, up till now you have given a very good response to my videos. Please keep it up. Share the information to veterinarians, veterinary students and go on giving support to this channel. Now today we'll see the presentation on cynorrhosis part 2. In this we will study clinical findings, diagnosis, treatment, control, and various taenia worms found in the small intestine of dog. This is a endoparasitic infection and a cystodal infection. We see here the clinical signs of the cynorrhosis. First sign we'll see due to immature worms. The clinical signs vary greatly according to the location of the cyst in brain or spinal cord. In which part it is located in brain, that governs the signs. Generally, when the cyst is in brain, the disease called as a Staggers or GID or Sturdy. GID and Sturdy are the local name. Stagger when the animal move with swaying or incoordination and likely to fall, that is called a staggers. If the location of the cyst is in parietal region of left side of the brain, parietal region of the left side of the brain and on the surface of hemisphere, the signs are that animal head its head in affected side, cyst on the left side of the brain, the head is held on the left side, same side, and head is moving in the circle and it is moving in the left direction, but right eye may be blind, the opposite eye is blind. If the location is in the parietal region of the left side of the brain on the surface of cerebral hemisphere, the animal held its head in the affected side and moves in a circle, moves in a left direction, and the right eye is blind. If the location in the parietal region of the right side of the brain and on the surface of the cerebral hemisphere, previously we have seen location on the left side, now right side of the brain. There are opposite signs. The animal held its head on the affected side means right side, moving in circle on the right side, and the left eye may become the blind, opposite eye become the blind. So symptoms are holding the head on the affected side, but blindness in the opposite direction of the eye. If the location of the cyst on the anterior part of the brain, the signs are head is lowered and held against the chest. It is too much lower, stretched lowest. The animal walk in a straight line until to hit on the hard object. Then animal remain motionless for some time. These are the characteristic symptoms observed when the anterior part of the brain is affected. Head is held lower down against the chest, walking in a straight line until it hit to the certain subjects, then he remains stopped there for some time. If the cyst is located on the ventral ventricle of the brain, then signs are just opposite to the above condition, previous condition we have. Head is stretched upward. If the cyst is located in cerebellum, the animal become hyperesthesia. Even with a mild stimuli, the animal get irritated and the animal walks in a jerky way or staggering gait. If the location of the cyst in the spinal cord, it causes pressure on the spinal cord and there is progressive paresis of one or both the hind limbs. Just by looking to the various type of symptoms, the clinician can make out the location of the cyst. Now, clinical findings due to mature or settled cyst. The constant symptoms observed are there is incoordination of the movement, ataxia, a jerky movement or wavy movement. Animal remain in a hyper excitable state. Generally, animals do not respond violently to the normal stimuli. But when there is hyper excitation, even a slight or light stimuli provoke a great reaction by the animal. Hyper excitability. Characteristic symptom observed is periodic epilepsy from convulsions. Periodic means certain period at certain interval. Epileptiform means just like epilepsy. Convulsions, contraction and relaxation, convulsion of all muscles of the body. Epileptiform just like epilepsy. In epilepsy, there is all of a sudden the animal fall unconscious. There are convulsions, and after a few minutes, the animal become all right, just as nothing has happened to the animal. This is type called as epilepsy from the convulsion. There are varying degree of the blindness. That is because the pressure on the optic nerve, muscle tremors, nystagmus means moving or rolling of the eyeball. The eyeball may frequently move on a horizontal or vertical or in a rotatory manner. Excessive movement of the eyeball is called as nystagmus. And many times when there is heavy pressure by the cyst in the brain, the animal found dead also. Diagnosis, clinical signs. We have already seen the clinical signs and characteristic guide movement by various type of the symptoms, the tilting of the head, the movement of the head, the blindness of the eye, and way the animal move. Clinician can diagnose the site of the cyst in the brain. Radio, radiological examination help in locating the presence of cyst, in which part of cyst is there in the brain. Dead animals, the diagnosis after the postmortem examination, that is presence of cyst in the brain or spinal cord. Treatment part of the cyanosis. Treatment is generally not effective. The praziquantel can be found effective, but not 100%. Some patients are treated combination with surgery and anthelmintic. High doses of albendazole may be tried. The clinician can provide a drainage of the cyst by surgical method to relieve the pressure into the brain, and temporarily there is a relief. But again, there is accumulation of fluid in the cyst, and again same symptoms are observed. So drainage of the cyst gives the temporary relief. Surgical remove the cyst. If the cyst is present in the surface of the brain, if they are in the deeper tissue, it is dangerous to perform the surgery. Actually, the diagnosis of teniasis, which parasite caused the disease, that can be made after surgical removal of the cyst by identification of the scoliosis in the cyst. One can diagnose the species. Control is also a difficult task. Clinician can give tanicide drugs to the dogs to break the life cycle. For the control of parasite, control the epidemiological factors. The main thing is that infected carcass of livestock should not be fed to the dog to break the life cycle of the animal. Now here in table we see the various taniasis of dog, and dog is a definitive host for all these tania. The adulterum is located in the small intestine of the dog. We have seen detail about Tania multiceps because it is commonly occurring. In the first column, that is species of Tania, second column intermediate host, third column metacystose stage, that is the cyst, and location of the cyst in intermediate host. First, we have already seen Tania multiceps, intermediate host, canine and dog species, metacystose stage, Cinereus cerebralis, and location is in the brain or spinal cord. There are other species of Tania. Tania geigeri, intermediate host goat, name is Cinereus cerebralis. Cyst is located in brain, spinal cord, and intramuscular subcutaneous connective tissue in other parts of the body too. Next, Tania, Tania cerealis, intermediate host rabbit, Cinereus cerealis, cyst, intramuscular and subcutaneous connective tissue. Third Tania species, Tania ovis, intermediate host SIP. Name of the cyst, Cystis circus ovis. Cyst is found in masseter, heart and diaphragm. Fourth species, Tania hydatidina, intermediate host, mainly SIP and P. Name of cyst, Cystis circus tenuicolis. Cyst is found in peritoneal cavity. Fifth, Taenia pisciformis. Intermediate host, rabbits. Cysticercus pisciformis. Cyst is found in peritoneal cavity attached to the viscera. Sixth species, Taenia taeniformis. Intermediate host, lambs and rodents. Name of the cyst, Cysticercus tenuicollis. Cysticercus fasciolaris. Cyst is observed in liver, and the name of the disease is hepatic cysticercosis. In all these taenia, the definite host is dog, and the adult worm are found in the small intestine of the dog. The intermediate hosts are mainly domestic animals. They form the cyst, and cyst is found in the various parts of the body. Friends, share this information to veterinary students and veterinarians. Requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.